But the next thing I want to show you here is the watch list section here next to the accounts tab at the bottom. On this screen here, this is where you're going to be able to see a list of the different securities that you own in your Schwab account and the different performances. Now, because we don't have any positions yet, nothing is showing up here, but you can create your own custom watch list. To do this, you're going to simply click on the 3-line menu here in the top right, and then the plus icon here at the bottom to create a new watch list. From here, you're just going to have to give this watch list a name and then click on the green Save Watch List button, and now you have created a custom watch list. So right now it's empty, but we're going to go ahead and click here on this green add symbol button, and then you can either type in a symbol, the name of a company or ETF, or you're going to see a bunch of the recent symbols you have searched for listed below the search bar. So just to demonstrate, we're going to go ahead and add NVIDIA here to our watch list. So if we type in the name of the company, we can see that listed here at the top. And now, just like that, we have added NVIDIA. Once you've added a stock here to your watch list, you'll be able to keep track of the price, the daily price change, and you can click directly on this and it brings you over to the actual trading page for that particular asset. In addition, you can also create multiple different watch lists, which is what I've done here. If we click here on the drop down, we can see I have a demo list and then the one I just created. So that can be helpful here if you're looking to keep track of multiple different lists of stocks, and it might not be ones that you want to have all sitting together. So looking at this demo watch list here, this shows you the 4 stocks that I have added, their daily performance and the current share price. And you can also see the color represents whether or not they are up or down on this given trading day. But one of my personal favorite features here with the watch lists is this heat map feature over on the right. When you click on this, it's going to show you a visual representation of the stocks or equities on your watch list, the symbol, current share price, the daily price change, and the shade of the color here is going to represent whether it's up a lot or down a lot on the given trading day. So for example, Toyota Motors is down a little bit more than GM, and that's why it's a deeper shade of red. So this can be a great way here to just have a bird's eye overview of your watch list, or maybe you have your portfolio linked and you can see what's going on with the stocks that you own. And just like with the other screen, you can also click on any one of these tiles and it's going to bring you over to the main page here where you can get more information about the stock or potentially place a trade. And then if you want to make changes to your watch list, you're going to click back to navigate back to your watch list. You're going to select the basic tab from before, and then you would just swipe to the left on anything that you want to remove and then click on the delete button. And just like that, it's going to remove that stock or ETF from your watch list.